Here's a Samoan phrase you can use to ask, what's the meaning of a word in Samoan? Olea means what? It's a singular what because of the le. Here's a plural what, just remove the le. What's the singular thing that we're asking about? Le uinga. Uinga translates to meaning, what's the meaning? Then oleupu, or of the word, altogether, oleale uinga oleupu, and then you just insert the word that you're asking about. I'll give you an example. I got an Uncle Kyungi. He's always telling these corny jokes, and today I asked Uncle about the word fa'afo. I never heard that word before. So he kept saying fa'afo, fa'afo, sa'alako sasaina ya ilako, se'io o ile fa'afo. You know when you're around the language and you don't want to look lame, so you just move your eyebrows like that until you figure it out. Finally, I just came out and asked Uncle, oleale wingo le upu fa'afo, famai. Ose upu fa'apalangi, what you mean? I said, I never heard that word before. Sele. Like those guys that jumped the man for the boat, and then everybody came to help. On the fa'afolea ilako, they around and found out. Uncle, hey, that's the English word.